Yeah, no problem, man. Again, Scrub Ninja, soapy water, Squeegee, microfiber towel, a dry one. Again, I usually do windows before I apply protectants on the dashboard and whatnot. I always do windows, protectants, and then final vacuum at the very end. That's my process. Now, obviously, you're gonna have to go over the corners and the little edges. And also, like I said in the previous video, you will leave a little bit of streaks. This way it's still better because you're picking it up with the really dry rag. And I like this squeegee because it's thick. It's not too long. For some reason, I don't really like the long ones, but that's up to you. At the end of the day, that's preference. I love this one. And I even do it for the exteriors too. I'll show you. And it works especially better for outside when it's hot, because even when you do the 2-towel method where you spray on product and then you wipe and then you try to wipe, it evaporates. Most of the time I try to do the outside of the windshield, and by the time I get to my rag, it's already all evaporated. This way, spray it on, and plus Dawn dish soap solution, it doesn't dry as fast. You can just cake this on and then you can squeegee all the liquid off fast. Damn, y'all making me work on my day off. I don't mind though, it's all good. But like I said, another comment was asking me if I only use soapy water solution. For this method, yes, because Dawn dish soap doesn't dry as fast, and you can spray this on, like literally caking on. All the other stuff got kind of like alcohol in it or something, and it evaporates way too fast. So if I was to use ocean spray or any other window cleaner, right, and I try to squeegee, it'll be dry by then. And squeegeeing on a dry surface is not, it's not going to get rid of your streaks. Actually, it's actually going to smear it, just so you guys know. That's why squeegeeing works with streaks if it's wet, really wet. Now, like I said, if it's starting to dry a little bit, cake on some more. You know, it's cheap solution, cheap stuff.